Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Shar here with another unboxing video. So today I'll be unboxing something special. I got these from StockX. I've been ordering a lot off of there lately. Maybe 2 or 3 things I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. Bubble wrap. Here we are. These are Nikes in a size 8. Yes, they are. In men. They got that new smell. Yes. Oh. Yes. StockX. I paid $2.53 for these and 67 cents. Okay. Kind of pricey, ain't they? Okay, here they are. These are the Nike Dunks. Yes. Aren't they cute? Yes. Look at those. What better colors than black and white? I'm sorry, but you should not have any problems finding something to go with these. The colors make it too easy, okay? And here is the StockX tag saying that these are verified and they're authentic. Okay. Yes, sir. They smell so good. It's something about the leather, I guess. But yeah, these are a really nice classic look. I am going to not have a hard time finding something to wear with these. This will just be like an everyday look. So I already have an outfit planned out to wear with these. I got it from Pretty Little Things, so that'll be on my Instagram soon. Make sure you check me out over there on Instagram at @SharChanel_ and follow me, please. Okay, so yes, this is the Nike Dunks. So I'll tell you a little bit about these. These are the Dunk Low black and white, originally created for the hardwood. The Dunk later took to the streets, and as they say, the rest is history. More than 35 years after its debut, the silhouette still delivers bold, defiant style and remains a coveted look for crews across both sport and culture. Now the University Hoops OG returns, covered in crisp material overlays with heritage-inspired color blocking. Modern footwear technology brings the design's comfort into the 21st century, while a contrasting combination of black and white gives this makeup a clean feel. Okay, so I believe that the high top ones are called the Pandas, and these are the low top Dunks. Okay, so there you have it. I must say that these feel really comfortable on. I love the look of them. I think they're really cute. They are the Dunks size 8, and men will be rocking them soon. Check me out on my Instagram to see the outfit. Yes, I'm excited about wearing these. I think they are just fly. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Check me out on Instagram. I'm on TikTok too, Shar Chanel. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys, and I'm out.